Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix NSE India connection issue with Excel. To fix the NSE India connection issue, especially when you are trying to pull data such as live market codes, option chains or stock info from NSE website into Excel via Power Query, VBA APIs or Excel add-ons, the following practical step will be commonly effective. First, you need to check NSE website accessibility and API changes. They are regularly update its website and data structures which can break existing Excel connections that rely on scraping on or API calls. So you have to ensure NSE website is accessible via your browser and that there are no blocks on your network. So you can see now it is accessible on my computer. So that means there is no issue with their website. And verify if NSE has changed its API or data points. So you can go to Google and type NSE API documentation, and here it is. Just open it. Okay, you can download that API documentation. Just tap on this one. Then you can see is there any changes happened in their API calls. So according to that you can change your API calls. If you use a third-party API or Excel plugin, check if they are an updated version compatible with the NSE data source. So that is method number 1. Then second method you can see is avoid or handle NSE access restrictions. NSE often restrict automated data scraping to protect their server loads. If your Excel connection method use web scraping or direct URL fetching, it can fail to get blocked. So you need to use official NSE APIs or reliable data services that provide tokens or authorized access, and you need to add necessary HTTP headers or user agent string in your Power Query or VBA request to simulate a real browser. As an example, this is an example Power Query. So you need to replace the URL with your target API endpoint. In this query, the headers mimic a modern Chrome browser's request. It will help to avoid blocks. In VBA, when making HTTP request, set headers likewise. And also you need to introduce delays or limit refresh frequency when you are accessing data, because NSE normally block the IPs sent in too frequent requests. So you have to add the delays to your frequency. So that would be the third method. So you have to update your Power Query or VBA script, check your URLs is still valid, and update the JSON or HTML parsing logic according to the NSE latest page structure. And if you use in the Power Query, clear the cache and refresh the queries. And if you are using VBA, debug the macros to pinpoint failure points. And the fourth method is you have to clear Excel cache and refresh the connection. To do that, first you need to go to the data tab. Then after you need to go to queries and connection. Just tap on it. In my case there is no queries running. If you see several queries here, and if you see any problematic queries available, you have to refresh or delete those queries. And you need to clear background refresh options. Then after restart the Excel and retry. And the next method is you have to check Excel and internet setting. Make sure the Excel has permission to access the internet. Check your firewall or proxy if there are any blocking available. Ensure that no network restriction or VPN blocks your NSE domains. For corporate or school networks, check with IT or for firewall exception. Sometimes they ban their NSE domains from their network because it is a school network. And finally, you can try third-party tools or Python-based features when integration in Excel fails persistently. Some use Python script or executable tools to fetch NSE data and then import that into the Excel. So these are the methods you can try to fix NSE India connection issue with Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.